What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video, and right now I am on the way to Elite Project Motorsports to film Angie King's Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. It is now fitted with the Gintani exhaust system. I've decided to tag you guys along because today is a pretty hectic day. After we film the SVJ, we are going to the World Trade Center in Pasay for the Manila International Auto Show. So yeah, it's a pretty exciting day, so I hope you guys stay till the end of this video. Also guys, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and keep the notification bell on to be notified once I upload a new video, because I have a lot of things planned for this channel. Okay, we just arrived at the shop. Let's go inside. And I don't know if you can hear me. Medyo malawak kasi yung space, but like here is the Aventador SVJ of Miss Angie King. To be honest, I kind of dig the green accents. Okay, so before we start the engine and do the sound clips, let's do a walk around with the car. As you can see, Angie fitted it with a black matte wrap with some green accents to match the interior of the car. Here we can see the 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12. She installed the roof scoop already, which is pretty wild. Shout out to this one because this is the first Aventador SVJ that we installed with the Gintani exhaust system. That's the first one, and this is the nth one. I couldn't count them all already, but yeah, it's the best setup for the Aventador SVJ. Never really easy to climb inside. Oh, okay, you sit in the sill first. And then you just make your way inside. That's how you get inside the Aventador. The keys are right here. Start stop button in 3, 2, 1. The other Aventador SVJ just went crazy. That car also wants to start up. So while we wait for the engine to warm up, let me show you a couple of features that this Gintani exhaust system has. Angie specifically ordered the Valvetronic exhaust so that she can have it in quiet mode or in loud mode. So that comes with the remote. It has an on and off switch. So right now the standard is on, so it's closed. But once you have it in off, the valves will open, it will sound much more louder. Gotta say, in closed mode, that was still wild. There's still pops and bangs. And now let's try it in the open mode. Ah, there it is. Pure F1 sound, that's all I can say. Grabe. V12 6.5 liter naturally aspirated. Can't go wrong. Can't wait to see like the flames behind it because I can't see it from here. But I hope the camera is still alive. Okay, so we've got ourselves in a bit of a pickle because while I was doing the exhaust clips, Sir Jansen approached me and said that the neighbors were already calling and like the exhaust is too loud. So that's it. At least we've got our shots. Okay, so we're done with the install and the sound clips. We're now just waiting for Angie for her to pick up the Aventador SVJ. How do you like the exhaust? Find it good?
We'll find out when we're on the highway.
But it echoes in the whole building eh. Whole start ng pinakita mo. Oh, as soon as it start mo, drive. So when you want to make a
Right, so we're now on the way to film a couple of rolling shots. Right, so I have the cameras mounted already. It's a one-man team for today. Let's wish all the sections work.
That's so loud.
Yeah.
It's so fucking loud.
Are you happy with the car?
I am gonna get in so much trouble.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get the footage from you. I would say this is the craziest, loudest, most obnoxious, most useless car that I own in my life. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you.
Yeah, TJ Pewter.
TJ is gonna give us his footage and then we're gonna drop it in the timeline and complete the vlog, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're now done with the shoot with Miss Angie and her insanely loud Aventador SVJ. She's still trying to get used to it, but it sounds absolutely brutal, especially with those pops and bangs. Now we are off to the World Trade Center for the Manila International Auto Show. Now we're going to be checking out the newest and coolest cars that will be entering the Philippine market this 2022. So stay tuned for that. Let's go. Okay, so there are a lot of people inside right now, and there's this event for GAC Motor.
Like you, I am ecstatic to see that M-Pow is the second generation GS8 in person. With all the features presented, GAC Motor Philippines is certain that it will be loved by our dear Filipinos. So without further ado, I now officially welcome everyone to the GAC Motor booth at the 2022 Manila International Auto Show.
The Nissan booth, and we are joined by the Nissan Terra. roaming around. So after MG, here we have the Chevrolet booth. We'll be immediately greeted by the latest generation of the Camaro. Not sure about the front end though, but the rear does look modern. These wheels are also nice. Oh, so this is the all-new Trailblazer. It's not the body-on-frame chassis anymore. It's more of a crossover now, which is very surprising for its nameplate. Let's see the trunk space though. I'm kind of curious. Oh, it has a power liftgate. So it is now a 5-seater compared to the 7-seater of the previous generation Trailblazer. Correct me if I'm wrong, I believe that these units that we're getting from Chevrolet are now coming from China. Just the Tracker and the Trailblazer. I believe the Camaro and the Tahoe and the Corvette are still coming from America. Here we have the Maserati booth. They have the Levante on display right here. This is their crossover. Here's the interior of the Levante. Leather dashboard as with every Italian manufacturer. And Alcantara. Steering wheel feels gorgeous to the touch. Also with the Maserati you get frameless windows. And I love how the door handle is integrated with the chrome accents here. Power seats. Pretty standard stuff. Automatic headlights, push button start. Now we make our way over to the Subaru booth, and they went all out as well, bringing all of their lineup in this stage. And taking front and center of the Subaru booth are the all-new BRZ and the new Forester. Let's hop inside before anyone else. So, oh, those side skirts though, they do look nice. So let's hop inside. I was surprised at the view though. It's kind of bright. It's kind of bright kasi may ilaw. But yeah, the door panel is really nice. Leather armrests, Alcantara top part here, and a couple of hard plastics. But that's to be expected. You now have a digital gauge cluster. The thin rim steering wheel feels nice to the touch. It's leather wrapped. Let's close the door. Oh, the windows feel smaller than the previous generation, or maybe it's just me. You have a redesigned dashboard over here. The center console is kind of the same with the previous generation, I believe. You have a cup holder right here. Oh, that one looks nice. Feels premium, and this one is also leather padded. You have a digital climate control system right now, and some toggle switches right here. There's a touchscreen infotainment right here with physical shortcut buttons. Horizontal. Oh, this reminds me of the layout of the Lexus IS. Can't wait to drive this thing on the road. Next up, we have the Geely booth. Okay, so I just had to jump over the Volvo booth because that grill is reminding me of something else. S90, which is their flagship sedan. It's a luxury vehicle, as you can see from the rear passenger. You have unlimited controls over here for almost all of the features. You can control the sunshade over here. Press this button and the sunshade lowers. Press this button. There's another sunshade for the window. Let's hop inside. Yeah, the interior, the door does have a high build quality. You have an ashtray right here. And you have a joystick here to control the front passenger seat. So you can move the front passenger seat if you need more leg room. You have a large panoramic glass roof, and you can also control the panoramic sunroof here. You can close it. The interior is something else. It does feel much more premium. Oh, and I've got to show you the gear selector over there. Oriforce Swedish. This is a crystal. This is made of real crystal right here.